ABCD is a rectangular lamina, force 12 Newton, acts horizontally. Find the moment of this force about A, B, C and D. Okay, the first moment about A. Moment about A, what will it be? The force is passing through the point A. So whatever is the force, perpendicular distance is 0. So here it is 0. Then moment about B, it is also passing through the point B. So whatever is the force, perpendicular distance is 0. So 0. Then moment about C. So perpendicular distance here is 3. Okay.
Yes.
So 12 times 3. In which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. So it is positive. 12 3 is 36 Newton meter. And it is positive. And finally, moment about the point D. So for D as well, the perpendicular distance is 3. So we should not take 5. Okay. 5 need not be considered.
Yes.
That is given just for confusing you. Perpendicular distance for this as well as this will always remain 3. So MD is also the same, 12 times 3, and this is again anti-clockwise. That means it is plus 36 Newton meter. Okay, clear?